So I'm guessing you want to know how to create a website for free and with zero coding skills. Well, you have come to the right place and we're starting right now. Okay, now make sure you have a Chrome browser, and if you already have it, go ahead and open it, and make sure that you're on the home screen of the Chrome browser. It looks like this. Now on the top right corner you can see your account icon. Now beside it you can see a grid. Go ahead and tap on that grid, then scroll down until you see an option here which says blogger. It's right over here. Then tap on it. Now when you are on this site's dashboard, it looks like this. Now to create our website, we'll have to tap on these three lines on the top left corner right here. Now there are three options. The first one says create blog, the second one says settings, and the third one says reading list. Now we'll tap on the first one which says create blog. Now here you'll have to choose the name of your blog. It can be any name. Now here you'll have to choose the URL of your blog, whether it's your name, your business name, or anything. So I'm just gonna choose it like this. Then it says here, sorry, this blog address is not available. So let's try another address. Now like that, then click on save. Now as you can see here, there are no posts. Let's try adding a simple post. So let's type anything here. Like that. Then let's just add a random title like that. Then let's tap on this send icon. Now let's view our website. So if you want to view your website, you'll have to click on the three lines on the top left corner, then scroll down until the last option here which says view blog, then tap on it. Now as you can see here, this is how your blog will look like, or in other words, your website. But you can customize it to look more awesome and more appealing. So if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up.